Hi, I'm Kelly Hopson. I am the director of the Modern Software Engineering practice for 1904 Labs. I started at 1904 Labs as a full stack developer, then became an assistant practice lead, and now I am the practice lead for Modern Software Engineering. My whole career has been spent as really a bridge between HCD, Agile, process, and software engineering. So it really puts me in a unique position because I understand really the HCD side of things really well and also the software engineering side really well. So being able to bridge that gap and always keeping that in mind is something that I think really fits well with the 1904 Labs philosophy, where we're always keeping the user in mind. We're always thinking about what is best for the user when we design software, not just when we design, but when we implement as well. So that makes us, something really special. What we do in modern software engineering is we solve problems. We make software that's modern. We do cloud migration. We do beautiful front ends. We do incredibly efficient REST API. We work across the whole stack, and we do that in a way that serves our clients so that we're mitigating risk. We're making sure that everything's modern. We are making sure that we have done it in a way that's maintainable, and we've partnered with the client along the way to make sure that they understand going forward how to maintain their own software and that they can feel comfortable that we're going to get things done. The team structure at 1904 Labs is equal. So we don't have titles where there's juniors and seniors or leads on each of our teams. And that's actually on purpose. We do that because in each of our team structures, we want everybody to feel like they have an equal voice and that they are equally trusted to solve problems. And our teams are extremely high trust in that way. They trust each other. They trust each other to grow. They trust each other to solve problems. They trust each other to, be able to bounce ideas off each other in a way that there's no hierarchy there. There's no politics in our teams. We try to have it so where our teams can feel like they can grow together and they feel like they have the ability to trust each other completely. And what makes that really special is that each team, some team members might have a bend towards front-end development or back-end development, but we try to balance all of our teams out so that each team can grow from each other and learn from each other as they're going. And that makes us really special because there's no ego involved in that. It just makes for fun work, solving good problems, looking at new technologies, pushing each other to be better, and always feeling like you're safe in doing that within our teams. Our ideal candidate makeup is first attitude, then aptitude, then experience. So attitude, are you going to be a good team member? Are you intensely curious? Are you excited about new technologies and willing to grow? Are you collaborative? We have a lot of heavy client interaction from each of our team members, and so we make sure that they are good communicators, they are good collaborators. So that's first and foremost is attitude. Then aptitude. Are you smart? Are you flexible? Do you have the flexibility to change and evolve and learn new things? And then last, experience. So not just experience as far as like how long you've been in your career path, that's part of it, obviously, but also, certain technologies. Like it doesn't have to be, you have to know React or you have to know Vue. There's no specific range there. We try to be as technology agnostic as possible. It's not that we don't want developers who know, the latest and the greatest things, but it's also about having that flexibility of being able to learn new things. And it's also about what is the right technology to solve our clients' problems. So we are going to look at the whole landscape. So take, say cloud providers. So, it might be AWS, it might be GCP, it might be Azure. We're going to look at what is going to be best for the client. So that's when we say we're technology agnostic. We're talking about being able to be a good technologist also includes being able to be flexible and learn new things. And then also look at the landscape of technologies and understand from a really deep level, what is the best way to solve this problem? What technology can we use that's going to be the best, the most modern, the most maintainable, right? And the best for our clients. And that's really the most important thing.